This is downtown Bowling Green, 1920 gas station. Again, it's still raining out. Oh, it's just a restroom. There isn't even any old oil cans or anything in there. The pumps and the inflator are probably worth more than the building. So the gas pumps are replicas. That air station I don't think is a replica. But anyway, you get to see a little bit of what I guess downtown Bowling Green looks like. A little bit of it. Little corner. I think this says College and 7th Street. Across from the Kentucky Grand Hotel and Spa. Alright, there we go. I guess they would have come out here and filled up their model. I guess they would have been T's in 21. Probably had a vending machine or oil or something. Anyway, there we go. Interstate 65. Headed towards Nashville, Tennessee. We're still in Kentucky. 58, well, probably about 50 minutes now from Nashville. Going to Decatur, Georgia from here, so we're probably going to go down into Alabama maybe and catch 20 across towards Atlanta. And we're going to be there a couple nights and we'll head on to Savannah. See Nashville in the distance? It's right up in there, some tall buildings. I don't know if they show up or not, but I think we're going to stay on 65. So we got to get over a lane to the right here eventually. That's the way we're going to go. Better. Stop there for some lunch. Barge coming down the Cumberland River there. Water looks low there too. Just the Nashville area here. So I video a little bit of it. eating there.
0.8 miles, keep left onto I-40 East.
This is super cool. This is a art museum here in Nashville. Just got done eating just down there at a sushi place. Now we're gonna go through the art museum. Maybe that gives a little more. That's huge. I don't know if the perspective is there. This art museum used to be the United States Post Office here. Super neat building. I'm not going to show the paintings and the art on the walls. I don't think that's good. Let's get drunk. Be careful, he might be drunk driving. So.
He might be.
Turn left on Lafayette Street.
We've been to Nashville before, so you can look at my past videos if you want to see a little bit of Nashville. So I don't know if we're headed down towards Birmingham or if we're heading towards I'm not really sure which way we're going. We'll have to wait and see which way that takes us.
Continue 0.2 miles, then turn left on left.
So I guess we're headed towards Huntsville, Birmingham, and we'll see where we get to in a little bit. It's taking us on I-440 East.
Keep left onto I-440 East.
Headed east towards Chattanooga and then on to Decatur. Yeah, this has been some serious uphill. My ears are popping. Because it's really loose dirt. Probably stop you pretty instantly. My ears are popping again. Millie is a 17-year-old Jack Russell Terrier. It's Ben's dog. I used to look after her often when we worked at Home Depot together. When he would go away, he would drop her off at her house and I'd look after her. She's a really good dog. But 17, yeah, she's old. Some photos from an antique store there in Atlanta, Georgia. It was kind of a neat place, so I just thought I'd add this too.